it's a big experience because you're done with school, and then you're working at the job, and then they come this opportunity to you and tell you, well, hey, we'll pay for you to go to school. We'll put you in this program, and we'll help further your education. So it's a big opportunity, and I'm gonna take my best foot forward and do what I can to take advantage of this opportunity. I'm actually a smokehouse operator for Hormel Foods, and I didn't do it the first time, but then the second time, something kept itching in my brain to just, it's time for something else. I did everything I was supposed to do here, so now it's time to move on. So I took the chance and I signed my name on it. I did the interview. I was actually top 5 in the interviews, and sure enough, they came back and told me that I got the opportunity. We started in September, so we'll do 6 months in the first tier, and then we'll do another 6 months for the second tier. Well, Hormel's, yeah, they pay for everything. They said, y'all don't worry about nothing. If y'all gonna do something with us, we have something for you. So they took care of it all. Not a lot of places give you opportunities like that, where they could just tell you, hey, I'm gonna pay for your school. You don't get the opportunity every day, so for that, I had to take it. And I thank them for that, because like I said, it's not a common thing to hear jobs furthering people in their company. We are on contract, but I don't look at it as a contract. I just look at it as an opportunity, and this opportunity that I'm happy I took.
Well, I was looking for a better opportunity, and at my job, Hormel, and when it came about, there were some maintenance positions open, mechanic positions to be exact. I was very interested in it. But being that, the way I was working, a lot of mechanics started coming up to me and saying, hey man, you should join. And you should, join the apprentice program and join us because we think you would be great for this program. And I was like, well, let's go. I'm ready. I've been ready for this opportunity, and now here it comes. I've learned about motors. I've learned about gears and how they work, as well as just using tools that I normally wouldn't use around the house, and learning how to use those tools was very, very exciting for me. And now we're here at Georgia Piedmont College in the apprenticeship program, and it's been very fun. For anybody that wants to join this apprenticeship program here at Georgia Piedmont, I highly recommend it. The teachers, the instructors here, they make it very easy for you to learn the information. They're very hands-on. As well as any question you have to ask that you may be doing at your workplace already, if you're already in this field, they also can answer some of those questions, and especially when it entails to what we're doing in class already as well. So this program right here is right on for anybody who wants to be a mechanic. This program is just perfect for you. Easy to learn, don't have to be the smartest guy in the world, and just come here and get your certificate and further advance yourself.